These 2 assignments are sitting on your to-do list. So the first is your like course prep and syllabus acknowledgement form. This is basically for me to gather a little bit of information and then you to download some important stuff. So the first thing is a Google form that takes you literally to a couple of very difficult questions like what is your first name and what is your last name and what is your birthday? And then it's also going to ask you like where you were last year, that kind of stuff, anything else that I needed to know about you. I think almost all of you filled it out, but if you didn't, please make sure that you do that. Most importantly, so that I could put your lovely name on the birthday board and give you a lollipop on your birthday. If it like October rolls around, you're like, Miss Christmas, you didn't give me my lollipop. And it's because you didn't fill out your Google form. That is all on you, my friend. I don't even feel guilty about it. Okay. Most of you already filled it out. So good job. And then the YouTube playlist link is there. Every day I record, and almost every day, like not a testing day, but every day I'll record and I will post that link to the YouTube playlist. And that is specifically, that's the one for your class. So that is like pre-calc honors advanced. So like today's video, I will upload and I will put it there. If you're ever out, you can watch it, find out what we did that day. If you're ever confused in class, that's your like first line of defense to go back and review. Those 2 apps, Graphing Calculator and Class Kick, we'll use kind of like sporadically throughout the year. And then once you've done those things, you want to open up that syllabus. It has your course weights, kind of the overall topics we're going to talk about, some general rules, and then you'll sign it, your parent will sign it, and you'll submit it for that assignment. The second one is just a hi. It puts a face to a name. So I want you to give me a short video. You can record in your camera roll. It doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't have to be edited. It could be raw. It could be awful. I'm not going to show this to anyone else. The last class was like, are you going to share our videos? And I was like, if I was going to do that, I would put a huge disclaimer on your thing that this will be shared. This is not shared. This is for me. Okay, just a quick hello. And then I can give you a classwork grade. So boom, first 100, just like that. Okay. Those are both due tomorrow. So if you need help with the first one, let me know while you're working today. Obviously, don't do the video while you're here with me today. That's weird and awkward. Do it at home when you're by yourself or outside, whatever. But make sure you get those 2 things done today. And then we're going to move into the diagnostic. So what I want you to do right now is, it's been weird and loading slow. I don't want you to start it yet, but I want you to go to Canvas and hit take quiz so it starts to load. And then if there's a delay in Wi-Fi, we'll get to it. Don't actually start it. Just hit take the quiz so that it starts to load. Should be on your to-do list and then also on quizzes. So this is pre-calc honors advanced. It is obviously an honors weight, that the weights on the homepage are 60% test, 25% quizzes, and 15% classwork homework. This feeds into calc honors. So an A or a B in here feeds into calc honors. It could also feed into stats honors if that's where you want to go. The level above this was the AP pre-calc. If you were teetering on the fence, I would say that, like, which means you got an A in Algebra 2 honors last year and you have the option to take that course. If you're thinking about it, I would say this first week is going to be pretty similar for both, minus they're going to jump right into like graphing calculator use. So you guys won't have to do that just yet. And then it's going to be drastically different. So if you're one of the people that were thinking about swapping and you have the opportunity, like you got the A last year and you want to swap, make that decision as soon as you possibly can. Okay. If not, this is the right place for you, and welcome. Okay. I'm the teacher for both, so it's not like you can get rid of me if you switch. Your first real day will be like tomorrow. You'll come in, we'll take notes. It's a review section, so a lot of it should feel familiar. And then Monday, we'll do a warm-up on those questions. We'll do the next section. You'll go home each day with some homework. Tuesday, we'll review, and Wednesday will be your first quiz on those 2 review sections. And then we'll jump into the ebook and WebAssign. Okay, if you had Algebra 2 honors last year, you did WebAssign. We're continuing to use it. If you didn't, I'll get you in. It's going to be okay. But the homework for Thursday will start in there. Our actual book work will start in there. Okay. A lot of the beginning is review. I feel like our Algebra 2 honors course is so hard that the benefit of doing it is that this year will be a little bit less hard. But it is obviously still a lot of new content too. Okay. Questions for me? As far as logistics go in the room, if you have to go to the restroom, just ask me so that I know that you are leaving, okay? The pass is over here. It's attached to the paper clip. It's big and obnoxious so that it doesn't get misplaced. For right now, we're signing in and out on the QR, the Google Sheet, just again, so I know where you're going. And then eventually we're hoping to, we're trying out something new, but we'll get to that. We'll worry about that when we get to it. If you need to borrow a pencil, they're there. If you need to blow your nose, it's there right next to the hand sanitizer, which could be used immediately after you blow your nose. If you need a break, I put a little shelf in the back. Everybody needs a little mental health break every once in a while. There's stress balls. There's little notes of affirmations. There's little stickers for positive thoughts, okay? And then there's coloring pages in Sudoku. If you are that person that just needs a break, take it. If you are a quick test taker or quiz taker and you sit here staring at a wall, maybe do something like that. That's good for some self-care, okay? Check in on yourself every once in a while. Questions for me before we start? Yes.
Should I answer?
The playlist thing? Mm-hmm. I'll come help you in just a minute. Yeah. Anybody else? Okay, so this diagnostic has Algebra 2 content in it. It is something you should have seen everything. If you don't, it's okay too. If it's like, I don't know what the heck that word means, you skip that question. If you can make an educated guess, make an educated guess, but if you have no idea, leave it blank, okay? Hopefully we don't have to leave 20-something questions blank, but it's okay to leave, put a question mark down. The ones that require work, I want you to either work on, split your screen between Canvas and Notability, or I'll give you hard copy paper and you can work on it. And then the very last question all the way at the bottom is going to ask you to upload, the screenshot. It's going to ask you to upload the work. So you'll either take a screenshot of your work from Notability. You can zoom out as much as you want so it fits. You can upload a PDF if it's a lot of pages, or you can take a picture of your hard copy paper, okay? But that's what we're going to work on today. These groups are new to me, okay? I did summer geometry and I put them in these groups and I loved it and they loved it so much because of the collaborative work that happened. So I'm hoping that it continues. I can't handle quiet. It's like not who I am as a human being. I'm never in quiet by myself. So I will play music, okay? And I would encourage you to communicate with each other. So if you get to a question, you're like, I think I kind of remember this, but do you remember this to the person sitting next to you or across from you? Do it, okay? Talk to each other. What I don't want you to do is, can you show me all of your answers so that I can use them to answer? That's not what they're for, okay? And then when we take quizzes and tests, we'll go to rows. But most of the days, I'd love to stay like this. If you're in an awful spot, every quarter we're going to move you. So you won't stay with the same 4 people. You get to meet some different faces, that kind of stuff. And I might move you guys to there. I don't know, we got to figure it out. But the idea is a little bit of collaboration. So even while you're working today, you can feel free to talk to each other, okay? There's going to be questions that might reference a unit circle. If you don't remember it, Google unit circle if you need it. I don't want you to reteach yourself anything today. I want to know what you know as of today. But if you need a reference or a quick check at notes or something like that, that's totally fine, okay? And no stress. It is more for me to just gather where we're at. Good? Yes? Okay.